Hello, I'm Susie Crew from Esoteric Trading Solutions. Just want to give you an update on what we do at Esoteric. Esoteric is, the word esoteric basically means secret, secretive and clandestine. And essentially we see the markets as being quite secretive and clandestine if you don't know anything about them. So there's all this different terminology depending on which market you're actually in, whether you're in the fixed interest market or the foreign exchange market or the stock market or the repo market or the bond market or the credit markets or even the crypto markets. There's a lot of different terminologies and a lot of different systems and a lot of different approaches to how you approach the market. So given that, at Esoteric Trading Solutions, we'd like to be able to teach people to learn about the markets, the financial markets and the crypto markets, to empower themselves essentially with financial literacy before they put money into the financial markets or the crypto markets. Essentially, we are not brokers or financial advisors. We're basically here to teach people and to assist people to learn about crypto and financial markets for a small subscription, which is very economical. It's in Australian dollars. And per month it's only $39.99, and if you're on a concession, we're very negotiable because we do want people to learn, and we don't want money to become an issue that they can't afford to subscribe. So again, as I said, we're not financial advisors or brokers, so we don't sell product, we don't have vested interests, we just tell honestly how it is pretty much, and we try to educate people in a balanced way. In terms of the markets, we see that learning reduces the stress of not knowing essentially, but also learning reduces the stress of losing money. A lot of people come to the markets, they don't have the necessary knowledge, and they end up losing a lot of money. I've been in markets since '87, so it's a fairly long time. I've worked in bond markets, fixed interest markets, foreign exchange, equities. I was a fund manager for many years as well. I've worked in credit markets, repo markets, pretty much most markets I've worked in, and the last couple of years I've been looking at crypto markets, which are really interesting and quite fascinating. I must say, out of all the markets, I really do enjoy crypto markets. It's a fascinating market, and that's something we will be focusing on at Esoteric Trading Solutions. Just going forward. Whoops, sorry, I just went too far there. So basically, what we offer is pretty much, learning services in terms of crypto and financial markets. We send out reports generally on a daily basis. We do videos on fundamental and technical analysis. We give up, we do timely videos. We have a network communication system where people can access that on a daily basis and talk to each other, and we have a whole lot of information and live data, and they're giving information about what's going on, which is a lot of fun. Pretty much, we do, send out a lot of different reports. I guess the financial markets, when you talk about it, is really an umbrella term, and it does incorporate a lot of different markets. So again, crypto, FX, equities, interest rates, commodities, bonds, cash, high yield, credit, derivatives. So many different types of markets when you talk about financial markets, and they all have their own knowledge, their own specialization, their own skill base, and their own jargon, if you want to call it that. So we really aim to teach this specialized knowledge in an easy and understood way that pretty much takes the mystery out of these markets. As I said, it is an excellent value subscription, and it's a pretty much a fun channel. So just a little bit of a blurb there. Essentially, again, just we do believe that real world markets carry a lot of risk, and if you're not properly prepared, the market will absolutely bury you. I know, because over the last, long time, since '87, the market has at times absolutely buried me. And, I was in the '87 crash. I was certainly in, the Asian crash of 1999, 2000. I saw the dot-com crash, 2000, and I certainly saw the big crash of 2008. And I was in all those markets, and I can assure you, clients and traders lost a lot of money. It was the '08 one was pretty devastating. So, but really, I guess if you properly learn and you have proper stop losses in place, guaranteed stop losses, not just stop losses, If you have guaranteed stop losses, which you have to pay more for, then, you could, actually limit your loss completely. But, limit the loss in terms of any more loss than what some people would have lost. So our aim is to enable you to learn easily and to help you become financially literate before you put dollars into the market. That's pretty much it, but also focusing on crypto markets. That's Slack, so that gives you an idea. We have all these different communication channels on the left-hand side there, and, it'd be update, on different cryptos. I mean, at the moment now there's more than, 1,100 or so cryptos. And most of those coins, so 900 of those coins, and the rest are tokens. But also, there's within the crypto market, there's about 170 exchanges, which are a lot of exchanges. Obviously, the exchanges sit in the US, Korea, Japan, and some in Germany. But there are a lot of exchanges, and there are a lot of different coins that sit on different exchanges as well. Some exchanges, focus mainly on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, and other exchanges just focus on Bitcoin, or they may focus on, spread trades between Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ripple, or some of the exotics. Again, some exchanges are well known for the exotics, and some exchanges focus more on the traditional crypto, if you want to call it that. We also send out YouTube videos, so these are a few of the YouTube videos that are being sent out. Pretty much initial coin offerings and technology and the risks there, Ripple technicals, crypto market report, that sort of thing. Again, crypto and financial markets are treacherous. You need to learn before you enter the fray. Without knowledge, the risk of losing dollars is so much higher. Thanks for listening, and please, if you've got any interest, give us a bell, contact us. Happy to take, any sort of questions. Happy to answer, your emails. Not a problem at all. Thanks very much, Susie. Bye.